Everybody, it is me, Zoe, and I'm back today with another video. So yeah, I am in a Christmassy kind of sweater shirt thing, which I think is super cute. And yeah, my hair is curly like normal. Just a second. Not sponsored, but I'm gonna use the John Frieda Frizz Erase thing to get rid of my frizz. So I'll just spray. And then you just smooth it down. Comb through your hair. It makes your hair nice and shiny, but not like greasy looking. Anyways, I know you can't even see like the top of my head. Oh gosh. Put some books under the computer that I'm using to Is that better? Oh, much better. Okay, it's already 1:24 in the video. Yeah, today I'm just gonna be doing a testing new makeup to see if I like it or if I don't. So let's just get right into the video. Sorry for reaching back. I have like my little makeup tray thing back here. I'm gonna pull it to the front. Just because it's so much easier to do that. Anyways, first thing I'm gonna do to start priming my skin, not gonna use that one, is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 3-in-1 4-in-1 setting mist. This smells like essential oils. If you don't like that, don't buy it. It has a pretty I don't know, strong mist. But for as long as I can remember, I saw this and I was like, I really want that setting spray. Looking for another one, because I just did. And so now I'm gonna put a little bit of my Province Beauty Hyaluronic Serum under my eyes, just to really get those hydrated. And on my lips too. You can always put serum on your lips because it is part of your skin. So yeah, the first primer I'm going into, I'm gonna use like a bunch of primers. I don't know. I love to just prime and make sure my face is glowy and nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, there. So first I'm going Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Primer just on my right here. And on the giant zip. And this. It's not that much less shiny, but it's not dried down yet. No, it's not a very... See, that really did reduce the shine effect. Yeah. Now I'm gonna be... Ooh, I recognize anyways. And now I'm gonna be using the CoverGirl Vitalis Go Glow in number 2 Sun Kiss. Just like, let me turn the exposure down. Looks like that. Okay, now we're just gonna squirt just a little bit just onto our fingers. Put in the high points. I know it looks super like dark, but once you blend it in, it is nice and not tinted. See, that gives just a really pretty glow. Then also before foundation, this is an actual step though. We are gonna get into our liquid highlighter. Today we're using the Hello Halo Wet n Wild in the shade Halo Goodbye. Just looks like this. Just gonna put a couple dots on my face to really highlight. Okay, now for, yeah, okay. I feel like it's just kind of weird just sitting here doing makeup. For no reason, I'm going to use the Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation in the shade F6. Just looks like this. Ugh, the exposure on this is way too high. Bam, there. That should be enough foundation. I have used so much of this foundation, guys. I don't know, I feel like this was the one that I would wear like every single day. I do happen to need a mirror. Sorry about that. This is like a full coverage hydrating, which honestly, I do enjoy a full coverage. Okay, it's more oily than hydrating. But if you can have full coverage and hydrating in one, it's a good thing because trust me, a lot of brands are like hydrating full coverage and it's like full coverage but not really hydrating, it's like satin. But for like really dry skinned people with maybe oily or not oily, acne prone skin, whoa. It looks so pale. Okay, ignoring the cat scratching in the background. Just wait. I think it looks better. Really highlighted. But it looks more blurry that way. Stupid cat. Okay. I love my cats, but sometimes they can just not be the most helpful. Yeah. We're gonna go in with the Rimmel London Lasting Finish 25 Hour Breathable Concealer in the shade 200 Light. Come on. And I absolutely do not like to do it like in my T-zone because of my acne prone skin, because I have like dry skin. Okay. I don't know, the quality of this camera is just like really bad. Like if I turn it down. Okay, it's not that bad. Now we're just gonna set like real fast with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Press Powder in the shade Neutral Buff. This is my new one. Oh my goodness, Cat, stop! We're just gonna use a flat top foundation brush to oh my goodness, Cat. Rolls! Stop it. Now that is set and done. That is such a horrible pun. Well, no, I really honestly don't like blush because I don't know why. But I do have an actual blush. It's the Milani Coralina Baked Blush, like this. Now this one is very pigmented. Just a second, I need to use the mirror. Rolls, 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 rolls. That cat of mine is like crazy. Rolls, 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 rolls. There we go. I threw a little brush at him. Okay, now that our blush is being done, we're going to go into bronzer. And I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the shade 330 Toffee. Looks like that. Just to bronze up the skin. This also happens to have a mirror. Bring that up here a little. Okay, bronzer is done. Temple highlighter. I'm going to use Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder and Blossom Glow. Just a very, very, very minuscule amount. Because I already have a very large amount of glow going on. There we go. Nice amount of glow. Today, I think we're just gonna throw a simple, like, brown liner thing on. If I can find my liner brush, that'd be great. Yeah. Wet n Wild liner brush. Like this Alan Tracy eyeshadow palette. With this dark brown shade right here. You can do some lining. Rolls, stop. Kitty. that's a nice, cute little girly eyeshadow. You already have mascara on. I don't know if you can tell. You never can because, you know, it's just like that for me. And for lip stuff, we're going to go with this Popsicle Stain lip. This is the CoverGirl Queen lip gloss in the shade Watermelon Splash. Just looks like that. It's one of my favorite lip glosses. You can see what I mean about Popsicle Stain. Da, 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 da. This is the completed look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!